Hey everyone, what's going on? Welcome back to the channel. In this video, we're going to be talking about the True Future platform. We'll be covering some of its utilities, use cases, and different announcements. So stay till the end of the video to get all the juicy details. Just a quick reminder though that this video is not financial advice. This video is just for education and information purposes only. Now let's hop into it. Now here is the True Futures website, and just a quick reminder that all the websites covered in this video will be available in the link down in the description below, so make sure to go check it out over there. And the True Future platform is for players, GameFi developers, and brands all together. It's an ecosystem to create next-gen NFTs and deliver utility to GameFi and everyday life. And they are actually holding an IDO in the near future around July 2022, so stay on the lookout for that. Now here's a little visual of how the True Future ecosystem kind of works when they bring brands and game developers into the NFT world. So as you can see, brands, here are some benefits for them, and then game developers, here are some benefits for them, and then they both share the NFT marketplace and metaverse end-to-end bridge to the digital, which also involves gamers and different crypto investors. Now here they have the status card NFTs, so this is really the meat of this project. They're the first multi-chain NFT passes on the market right now. Currently they're on Polygon and Ethereum networks, but soon will be on the Binance Smart Chain, Avalanche, and as well as Solana. Here's their NFT marketplace with all the different NFTs that they have listed currently, and each one of these status cards actually has a different status. For example, bronze, silver, gold, platinum, and black being the highest. For example, if we go onto the gold True status card, this takes us to its individual page where we see some information, when it was exactly minted. This one was February 22nd, 2022, and 700 items of these gold cards were released. As you can see, they're in the gold tier currently selected. Here are all the different perks and benefits of having one of these, and it's going for 1,000 USDT right now. What's really cool is that the holders of these gold status and above receive an allocation to the pre-IDO of the True Future project, and say the higher the status of the cards, the more allocation you will receive. And currently their IDO is planned for July 2022. There will also be a status cards holder game. Status card owners will take part in a special game with different jackpots and prizes. The higher the status of your card, the higher chance you have to win prizes. What's really cool right now is that True Future is doing a ton of giveaways with prizes up to $20,000 on their social medias, like their Twitter account, that we'll take a look at a little later. But say, for example, you could win one of these silver True status cards, which is around 100 USDT right now, and just some awesome initiatives, to get you guys involved in the project, and some great prizes that are being given away. Not to mention the awesome whitelist opportunities on their Twitter account as well for the gold status cards and as well as the platinum status cards. So their future platform token will actually be called TFT, and there'll be a bunch of different staking opportunities within it. And here's just a little look at a visual of the token distribution for it currently. Available staking periods depends on the status card, so around 30 days to 360 days approximately. And this rate is actually adjustable and just depends on the status cards themselves. A quick additional point about the whole NFT ecosystem for their marketplace is that you can actually craft a major status NFT from several minor status NFTs at a ratio of about 1 to 11. But the maximum number of tier 1 NFTs is limited. As for their community governance and metrics, they're actually planning a management structure where the community makes decisions on its further development by voting. The main financial indicators of the system functioning are available in a convenient graphical format using BI tools. Once again, here's a brief summary and rundown of their True ecosystem. This is a multi-chain ecosystem with various members and partners. The heart of the system is a ready-made infrastructure of several interconnected products: NFT marketplace, Oracle, True App, and their SDK. As you can see, brands and companies and services, wallets, they all integrate into the overall ecosystem, including the NFT marketplace, the True App, Oracle, and their SDK, as well as game developers and games overall. So just all combining and integrating, and as well as just helping each other out in this ecosystem for the True Future project. So definitely seems like they have a lot of growth coming up with this project, and looks very, very promising. As you can see for their roadmap, since we are wrapping up Q2 of 2022, for Q3 to Q4, here's what they actually got planned coming up. So NFT projects for brands, fashion TV, world famous game developers, the SDK for game developers, the True Earn, the True Metaverse, True Marketplace, the True App, and their True Community. These are all the things they're going to be focusing on on for the rest of 2022 upcoming for this year. So seems like they got some great stuff planned ahead for 2023 and onwards. They'll be integrating their True Metaverse, their True Governance, True Community, and then the True App finalization. Just another quick outline about this project is how transparent they are with their team, just giving you a little bit background information on how they came about, all their different focuses, as well as different links for each one of the people on their team, as well as profile pictures, just so you can get to know who is behind the scenes working on this project. You guys can check out their links, their LinkedIn and Telegram pages as well if you are interested. Now, taking a look at their community side of things, on their Twitter page, they have around 31.2k followers, an ecosystem to create next-gen NFTs and deliver utility to GameFi and multi-chain NFT passes to True Future. They have their Discord link and their website that you guys can take a look at. Their Twitter page was just started up in September 2021, already 30k followers, not bad. So here is a place you definitely want to be if you want to get involved in some of those prizes and jackpots and giveaways I was mentioning earlier. And here is just a place you can give them a follow, have the notifications on, stay up to date with different announcements, milestones they just post, different collaborations with other projects and whatnot, different milestone shoutouts, Discord shoutouts, you know, so different giveaways, prizes, memes as well. Very engaging content overall. Definitely a place you're not going to want to miss out on. So that is it for the True Future project. This project has a lot of potential with all the plans that they have already released, their whole ecosystem, which integrates everything from their apps, their game development, their NFT marketplace, and more. So definitely seems very, very promising. If you are interested, make sure to go check this project out on the link down in the description below. All the websites covered in this video will be available down there. And that's pretty much it for this video. If you enjoyed it, make sure to give us a like, leave any comments down below of any questions you might have had on this project. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel so we can keep on helping you out in your cryptocurrency and investment journey. That's all for now. Thanks for being here.